Welcome to the KAWA P7 SST Syllabus Part 2. Teaching Topical Outline Part 2. Topic 4: Vegetation of Africa. Location and names of vegetation types of Africa. Meaning of the term vegetation and related terms, natural and planted vegetation. Factors that influence vegetation distribution. Climate/types of soil, relief, human activities, drainage. Importance of vegetation to people and animals. Reasons why animals live in different vegetation zones. Animals found in different vegetation zones. Wildlife conservation, tourism. Key terms: game parks, reserves, zoos, sanctuaries, aqua parks, tourism, etc. Location of game parks and reserves in Africa. Common species in game parks. Other tourist attractions. Importance of tourism. Problems associated with tourism, game parks and their solution. Conservation, care of wildlife/wild animals. Reasons for different population distribution patterns in different vegetation zones. Effects of population on vegetation. Effect of big and small population on vegetation. Topic 5: The people of Africa, the ethnic groups and settlement patterns. Origin of different ethnic groups. Meaning of related terms: ethnic group, migration, settlement pattern, cradle land, etc. The major ethnic groups and their origin. Tribes belonging to different ethnic groups: Berbers, Negroes/Bantu, Kushites/Hamites, etc. Movement of different ethnic groups into different distinct regions of Africa. Reasons for migration of various ethnic groups. Effects of migration on population. Topic 6: Foreign influence in Africa. Foreign groups in Africa. Meaning of related terms: foreign influence, foreigners, influence, etc. Foreign groups in order of their coming: Arabs, Persian, Indian and Portuguese traders, European explorers, missionaries, colonialists, settlers. Arab traders in East and North Africa. Persian, Indian traders in East Africa. The Portuguese traders, explorers on the East African coast. The sea route to India and its benefits. The personalities involved. The Portuguese occupation of the East African communities. Explorers in the rest of Africa. Revise the coming of explorers in East Africa. Personalities, discoveries made and achievements. Explorers in Southern, Central and East Africa. Livingstone, Mungo Park, DS, etc. Problems faced by explorers in Africa. Effects of European traders in Africa. The triangular trade. Reasons for coming of traders in Africa. Revise formation of chartered, trading companies in East Africa and the role they played in colonization process. European missionaries in Africa. Different groups in different regions. Reasons for coming, problems and effects of missionaries. European colonialists in different distinct regions of Africa. Review related terms: scramble and partition, Berlin Conference, personalities involved. Causes of scramble for and partition of Africa. The role of Berlin Conference in colonization process. The establishment of colonial rule. Settlers / a case study of South Africa. European settlers in South Africa. Dutch, British. The Great Trek and its causes. Problems faced during the Great Trek. Effect of foreign influence. Economic effects: exploitation of mineral wealth, loss of land. Social effects: degradation of African culture, loss of identity. Colonial methods of administration. Methods of acquiring colonies. African reaction to colonial rule. Topic 7. Nationalism and the road to independence of Africa. The concept of nationalism. Meaning and concept of terms: nationalism, patriotism, Pan-Africanism. Pan-Africanists, nationalists, independence, freedom, ideology. The work of Pan-Africanists and nationalists. The prominent Pan-Africanists, nationalists. Factors, reasons for success of Pan-African movements. The Pan-African Congress and its promoters. Overview. Problems faced by Pan-Africanists. African countries that were never colonized. Reasons for maintaining their independence. Reasons for demanding for independence. Control of national resources, revival of African culture. Personalities who fought for Africa's independence. The Pan-Africanism Congress promoters: Marcus Garvey, Booker T. Washington. The struggle for independence in Africa. Leading Pan-Africanists, nationalists in various African countries. Methods used in the struggle for independence by Pan-Africanists. Methods used by African nationalists in their struggle for independence. Post-independence Africa. Formation of AL. When and why it was formed. The founder members of AL. The objectives of AL. Functions of AL. Formation of the African Union and its objectives. Organs of the African Union. Challenges of AU and possible solutions. Regional economic groupings. COM SA, ECOWAS, EC, SADC, IGAD. Advantages and disadvantages of economic cooperation. Solutions to problems faced by economic groupings. Topic 9. Economic development in Africa. Major economic resources of Africa. Meaning of terms: resources, development, economy, etc. Location of Africa's major resources in different countries, regions. Critical study of various resources that exist in Africa, e.g. minerals. Problems faced in the utilization of resources. Care, conservation of our resources. Major economic development in Africa. A case study of Nigeria, oil, farming, trade and transport. Libya, oil, irrigation, tourism, etc. Sudan, Jazeera, the Nile Valley. South Africa, mining, farming, etc. ARC, mining, lumbering, farming. Uganda, mining, oil, tourism. Challenges of Africa. Social challenges: illiteracy, ignorance. Economic challenges: unemployment, corruption. Major world organizations. Formation of the United Nations Organization. The origin: League of Nations objectives and functions. Membership of the UN. Organs of the UN. Importance of the UN. Agencies of the UN and roles played by each. Human rights in the UN Charter. Welcome to the KAWA P7 SST Syllabus Part 2.